When it comes to window installation, even the smallest mistake can lead to costly repairs or uncomfortable living conditions. Proper window installation is essential for maximizing energy efficiency, enhancing curb appeal, and ensuring the safety and security of your home. Unfortunately, many homeowners overlook the potential pitfalls, leading to issues that could have been avoided. Here are 5 common window installation mistakes and how to avoid them, ensuring that your windows are installed properly for optimal performance. Incorrect window measurements. One of the most common mistakes in window installation is incorrect measurements. Whether the window is too large or too small, improper sizing can lead to a host of issues, such as gaps, drafts, and difficulty in opening or closing the window. Misaligned windows may also strain the surrounding walls and frame, leading to further damage down the line. How to avoid it? Always measure the window frame accurately before ordering your new window. Double-check your measurements and take into account the size of the window's rough opening, which includes space for insulation and shims. If you're unsure, it's best to have a professional window installer handle the measurements to ensure accuracy. Poor flashing installation. Flashing is a critical component of the window installation process, as it directs water away from the window and helps prevent water infiltration into your walls. If flashing is installed incorrectly or left out entirely, moisture can seep into the frame and the surrounding structure, leading to rot, mold, and even structural damage. How to avoid it? Make sure the flashing is installed properly around the window frame. This includes placing a layer of flashing at the top of the window and overlapping it over the sides and bottom to direct water flow away from the home. When installing the window, ensure that the flashing is tightly sealed and secure, and use a high-quality, weather-resistant material to avoid future leaks. Improper insulation. Proper insulation around your window is vital for energy efficiency. Without adequate insulation, drafts can form, making it harder to regulate the temperature inside your home. This not only increases your utility bills but can also reduce the overall comfort of your living space. Poor insulation can also cause condensation, which may lead to mold and mildew. How to avoid it? Use the right type of insulation for your window installation. A great option is spray foam, which expands to fill gaps and creates an airtight seal. Be sure to insulate around the window frame evenly, filling any voids with the proper materials. Avoid overfilling, which can cause pressure on the window and potentially damage the frame. Improper caulking and sealing. Caulking is another essential step in ensuring that your windows are properly sealed. When installed incorrectly, caulk can allow moisture to enter, leading to air leaks and potential damage to your home's structure. Poor caulking can also cause the window to shift, affecting its ability to open and close smoothly. How to avoid it? After installing the window, apply a bead of high-quality caulk around the window frame where it meets the wall. Be sure to choose a caulk that is appropriate for the type of material your window frame is made of: wood, vinyl, aluminum, etc. Use a caulking gun for an even application, and wipe away excess caulk immediately to ensure a neat finish. Don't skip this step. Proper sealing can significantly increase the lifespan of your window and protect your home from moisture damage. Not checking for proper alignment. A window that's not properly aligned can cause a number of problems, from difficulty opening and closing to aesthetic issues. An improperly aligned window can also make it harder to install weather stripping or other components, potentially compromising the window's overall performance. How to avoid it? Before securing the window into place, double-check that it is level and square within the frame. Use a carpenter's level to ensure the window is perfectly vertical and horizontal. If the window is even slightly out of alignment, it can cause issues with the window's functionality over time. Take the time to adjust the position before securing the window into the frame. Conclusion: proper window installation is an investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, incorrect measurements, poor flashing installation, improper insulation, improper caulking, and lack of alignment, you can ensure that your windows will perform at their best for years to come. Whether you're installing windows yourself or hiring a professional, attention to detail is key. If you're uncertain about any aspect of the installation process, it's always wise to consult with a professional to avoid costly mistakes and protect your home.